Yet another Angular live stream, and in this live stream we are going to do the last topic. Actually, it is the HTTP topic only, which we did yesterday, but it is in continuation with that. And with that, the Angular basics will be over, but we'll keep doing some of the projects. So we are going to continue the recipe book project which we have started, and so on. So let me share my screen quickly. So this is the project which we have created yesterday only. So the same project, and so this is how means the data is all stored in Firebase and all, and we are able to send something like, and like HTML basics, HT basics is good, send post. Actually the post is sent, and if I do fetch post, the fetch post will be done. So this can be a task, you can automate it. Okay, send post and fetch post are there, everything is working. Okay, and let me increase the font size a bit. Okay, so this is like this. So but as you know, this is a not a very good way. Okay, this is not a very good way. Okay, so why this is not a very good way? Because we should not have all this service, all these things. There is HTTP request in the app.componentity file. We should be having this this in a separate service. So this is how we should use HTTP. So this is the main thing which we are going to do today, and it will take some effort. So that's why a different streaming than yesterday. Okay, so first app.component.ts file will come. Okay. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to do is to create a service, as I told. So let us come here, and in the app folder we'll create a service known as posts dot service dot ts. So this one we are going to create, and now we are going to move all the logic here. Most of the logic will be moved here. So let us do some copying now. This HTTP client will be copied to here. Map and post will also be copied. So let me copy this. Okay, and then there is another thing is there that we can instead, so anything with service or anything which you create, we have to inject it, we have to add it in the app.modular.ts. So instead of doing that, we can directly do an injectable and do it here, and this is the more modern way in Angular. So at injectable, and it we have to inject it from Angular core also. It's import it from Angular, inject provide that in is root, and then export class post service and constructor private HTTP client. HTTP, it is not HTTP, it is HTTP client, this thing, HTTP client. To close it like this, and now we are going to have two functions here. So first one is, let me close this, and let me do one thing, increase the font size so it is much good viewable on the mobile browser. Create and store post we are going to do, and title is string and content is a string. and const post data. So why I'm writing this, let me bring it from here. So this create post will be like this only. Okay, so let me do one thing, we copy this, and actually it will give this post data we have to give, although I have given, but we have to make it equal to something, post equal to title and content, and post is also important. So this is like this. Okay, post is title and content, and post is important, and we just move the thing from there, logic from there, but we need this post data here. Okay, so after that we and the other thing we are going to have is fetch posts. I should spell it a bit much better, fetch posts, and like this. And here see this private post is there, and all these things are there including the subscribe and all. But the thing is that the subscribe thing, when we are going to fetch post, we are going to do here only. So one of the thing which we are going to do, we are going to take this much only, actually this much. I'm not cutting it right now, I will just delete it soon. So only this much we are going to do, take, and what we are going to do, we are going to return it. Okay, like this. Like this I'm going to return it, save it. Okay, yeah, now we're done. Okay, let me do a bit of formatting, I'm not liking it. Control Shift P, format selection. Okay, it's okay. So now in back in the app component, and here the first thing is that we have to use the post service now. So import post service from post.service. Okay, did it wrong, it is not post, it is posts. So this auto format auto thing is wrong, it is post. And let me see one more thing, I think this is also wrong, it is post. I should give it posts actually, because see this is also post, I should give it posts. Okay, and I should give it posts here. Okay, so after this HTTP client, now I have to do the private posts service is post service, like this. And okay, ng on init is calling this dot fetch post, let it call this as fetch post, and fetch post is also calling this as fetch post. I'll make the changes here. Okay, okay, so first change, let us do it here. And here the main thing is that this whole thing will go, nothing will be remaining. Okay, and then instead of this dot post service dot create and store post. Create and store post, what is this, this create and store post is this one, create and store post, and post data dot title we are going to pass, comma, post data dot content we are going to pass. So it will be working as usual. And now the private is post, so fetching we are keeping it here as I've told. I have removed this much, and instead of this, actually we want to subscribe it from here only. Okay, so this dot post service dot fetch posts and this, and remove it up on the top, dot subscribe like this, or let it be below only, dot subscribe like this, and let me save it. Let me see here, no error. Come here, refresh, no error. CSS basics, CSS basics is good. Send post, fetch post, yeah, it is saving in the database also. Okay, now the thing is that we will learn to clear or remove post from Firebase. So let us do that. So again we are going to do this from a post service. So we're creating service now, we create service for everything. So post service we are creating for a delete method to delete all the data from our endpoint. So delete posts like this, return this dot http dot delete the same endpoint. Endpoint doesn't change, it is the same endpoint. So let me copy it, the same endpoint, just this much. Delete is only this much, the delete method we are using. Save it. Now this on clear post, this on clear post, do you we have it? Yeah, anyways we are going to have it. Yeah, on clear post is there. So on clear post, and here this dot posts service dot delete post dot subscribe, and when the posts are deleted we are going to do one more thing. This dot loaded post equal to an empty array we are going to do. Now first come here and clear post button I will do, and all is deleted, but let us check once in Firebase also. So Firebase I have not opened. Let me open the Firebase, go to console, and as I've told, I have a lot of things are there. HTTP Angular demo, I think this one only is there. Okay, let me check whether this one is. I was doing this project at two places. Angular HTTP demo, this is not, it is Angular HTTP demo. Actually I am taking a corporate batch also, there also I am doing that. Okay, it is this one, because this is Angular HTTP demo. Yeah, this one is a 768. Yeah, this one, and it is clear. Okay, I should have opened it earlier only. Okay, so that is done. So now the thing, our delete is also done. So the thing which we are going to learn now is to do error handling in HTTP. So there can be error for various reasons. First thing, that there might be the internet is down. The second thing, the server is down. Yeah, yesterday only Facebook server was down. Facebook issue was there, which is unimaginable. Someday back, Google servers were down for 1 hour. So these are something which are unimaginable, but then also these things also happens. Okay, so small servers can be down, but obvious. So those things are there. So we have to do some error handling things in that. So let us make us our thing fail right now. Right now everything is up. So how we make everything to fail? Let us give the wrong thing, a bit wrong. I've given now both of them are saved, and now the both of them are wrong, because I have removed one app from both of the places. If, oh, one sec, let me do one thing. before deleting, let me do one thing. Let me do something, pass something, so that we know that okay, something is there. Let me spell it right. Send post, fetch post, yeah, it's there. Okay, so now it's good to make it wrong. Make it wrong, save it. Now it is stuck in loading only, so it is not a good indication of what is happening right now. So what we are going to do, so we are going to go to app.component.html first, and we will show a error class. Okay, so after this is fetching and loading, so this loading it is showing, and here we are going to show and not of error, and after this div dot alert danger, and here another thing will be there, hash ng if error is there, h1 and error occurred, and p error, save it. Okay, now in the app component.ts, so what is this error? So this error we have to give. So error, we go up here, and after the is fetching error equal to null, we are going to do. So after that where are we? Okay, so this fetch post is there, we are going to show this error there only. Fetch post here, after this post is all done and all, so we can have another thing here, error and this dot error equal to error dot message, and cmg error is done. Save it, and error has occurred is coming, and even the loading is showing. But I will do one more thing. So this is coming fine. This we will add a button to clear it. Okay, the error has occurred is okay, but the user knows okay the error has occurred, but user want to clear it. So how to clear it? So we for that we are going to come here and create a button, and it will be button dot btn danger, and it will be okay. Click will be on handle error like this, and then we come here. After this fetch post, on handle here will be there, and it will contain this dot error equal to null, and here also when the error is coming, I want that this dot fetching equal to false. I don't want that loading thing and all. These two things we are going to do. Save it, come here, save it, and then come here, See, no poster available is coming because the error has occurred. I want to show this. Okay, so if the error is there, no poster are available should be shown. Okay, and this OK button is there. Okay, the error is there, and a user click, it will go. Means okay, user had seen. Okay, the Google error is there. Now Google is down. So whatever is Gmail is down for 1 hour. Click it. Okay, no emails are available. Okay, so this is like that. So whatever is there, so we will do it like that. And with this, so this is how it is done. Even the code for Google, most of it is in Angular. Means don't know how much it's Angular, but a lot of them is Angular. Angular is created by Google and it has been heavily used inside Google. Okay, so with this we complete our today's stream. Hope you like today's stream, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are finding this interesting. And soon Angular will be over and we will start our React and Node.js and Merge journey again, which you all people like a lot. And soon, maybe next month, I'm coming with big projects, big Merge projects and all those things, because those projects takes time to prepare. But before that, I am going to have some big Angular projects also on this channel, big mean projects on this channel. Mean stand for MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. So some big mean projects are also coming, and I'm planning to do those on Saturdays in the afternoon time IST. So not in this night time, so afternoon time IST, because those big project takes at least 1 or 2 hours, and I don't want to do it at night. On Saturday afternoon I want to do it, because Saturday evening I also have a Saturday night live. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel, so it will support me a lot to help me monetize this channel, which is very important because I'm putting a lot of effort in this channel. So this is my 31st day in which I have continuously created video. So this is the 31st day. So hope you like it, and do join me in my journey, because I'm doing 100 days of code also. You also should do it along with me. Okay, thank you, and I will see you again tomorrow.